The most Googled question. Why cosmetic gynecology?
I would like to answer this question. Most people think, why cosmetic gynecology? It was never a specialty before. Why did it become a specialty right now? I would say that it is much more common for women to understand their problems right now as they are more educated, more liberated, and also they are financial partners in many institutions. Also, they understand that what makes them comfortable is more important to them hiding the disease or hiding the symptoms. So, cosmetic gynecology is a misnomer, but it's actually a functional gynecology. What function they had in their earlier age and which had gone automatically has ceased to happen now. Therefore, people wonder initially, they get confused, but later they do understand that they need to seek treatments. That's why I call cosmetic gynecology as a specialty.